Welcome to Tasmania, Australia's only island state. This green, heart-shaped island sits 240 kilometres southeast of the Australian mainland. At 68,000 square kilometres, Tasmania is populated by only 500,000 people. This is an island with room to move. Tasmania is a place of thriving cities, relaxed coastal towns, welcoming country villages, and breathtaking natural beauty. The Tasmanian landscape is a tapestry of ancient mountain ranges, deep green forests, and rich pasture land. With 36% of the state set aside in national parks and reserves, including the Tasmanian Wilderness World Heritage Area. The island is fringed by stunning coastline, sculpted by the rich, cool waters of the Southern Ocean and Tasman Sea, with an abundance of sandy beaches. The temperate climate, clean air, water and fertile land create ideal growing conditions, and world-renowned Tasmanian produce, seafood, fine, cool climate wines and refreshing beers are produced in abundance. Complementing Tasmania's world-renowned natural beauty is a vibrant culture. Intimate-sized, well-planned cities are a combination of historic colonial buildings and modern architecture, green parklands and public spaces. The state's excellent health, technology and service industries contribute to a lifestyle that offers all the advantages of city life without the pressure and stress. Across the state, there is a comprehensive range of educational opportunities, including the University of Tasmania, which has campuses in each of the major centres. Tasmania also has a vibrant arts culture, with a wealth of performing and visual arts festivals, performance seasons from the Tasmanian Symphony Orchestra, and museum collections. The Australian passion for sport is reflected in Tasmania's exciting annual calendar of sporting events, which includes the Sydney to Hobart yacht race, international tennis and cricket matches. Tasmania is well connected to the rest of Australia through regular, affordable flights and the Spirit of Tasmania ferries that take travellers from Devonport to Melbourne in comfort on a 9-hour crossing of Bass Strait. The capital city, Hobart, is 1 hour's flying time from Melbourne and 1.5 hours from Sydney, with 4 airlines providing approximately 64,000 seats in and out of the state each week. The Tasmanian lifestyle offers a rarely found balance of work and business opportunities with quality of life. The state's climate, natural beauty, welcoming locals and relaxed pace have attracted migrants from across the world, and many have found their professional niche in industries as diverse as health, engineering, construction and automotive. Others have established businesses in the hospitality, agricultural and tourism sectors. Skilled migrants are welcomed by the Tasmanian government, and their contribution to the state's economy and society is highly valued. Discover more about Tasmania and the opportunities this island can offer you. Contact the Tasmanian Department of Economic Development and Tourism for more information about skilled and business visa sponsorship.